it's Claire here, one half of Miss Dress and your very own personal stylist. Now, if you didn't know, I happen to live here in Ibiza. Yeah, the world's #1 holiday destination. So it's fair to say that you are in the right place for getting plenty of tips about how to look stylish on your holiday. And in this video, we're out on my balcony with my backyard behind us because I want to talk to you about how to look stylish by the pool. Now, I might as well be wearing a big old neon sign above my head saying, yeah, I live in Ibiza. But you know what? On holiday is the time to have a bit of fun with your swimwear and accessories and really kind of play around with them. So I've got 3 tips to give you on how to look cool by the pool. Okay, so the first thing I think you should get for your poolside attire is a one-piece. Now, I'm sure you have noticed that they have had a major fashion comeback. And you know what? Gone is that old sporty style swimsuit that you used to do your lengths up and down the pool in. And in is the sexy cut-out piece. Check out Bee's latest purchase that she's made in Florida. Ooh-wee, love it. That is one sexy swimsuit. But, you know, obviously that kind of big cutout style isn't for everyone. So you might prefer the plunging V-neck line like I've got on here. These are great because they still work for bigger boobs, yet you feel much more concealed and covered and secure. However, obviously sometimes this style isn't quite right for you either, just because you're concerned about falling out of it. If that's the case, then go for a one-shoulder swimsuit. They look fabulous on any age, shape or size. Trust me, I have seen plenty of women wearing them on the beach around here, and they all look fabulous. Okay, so number 2 is you most definitely need a fabulous sun hat. I've mentioned them before in videos, but honestly, they are your #1 accessory because not only do they protect your head from the heat of the sun, because if it's anything like it is today when you're on holiday, it is going to be hot on your hair. It also just actually adds focus on the top half of your body. So if you're really conscious about thighs and legs and tummy all being on display when you're wearing a swimsuit, it's a nice distraction from that area. So especially if you go for something that's got a little bit of detail or quite a big brim as well. Now, there's one secret to really kind of pulling off wearing a hat, no matter what your face shape or your hairstyle is, and that is to wear the hat a little bit lower on your brow. First of all, that actually does help to protect you from your face from the sun as well. But if you follow the arch of one of your eyebrows and just tilt the hat slightly, that ensures that the hat really does lend itself to the lines and of your face and really complement your face shape. Now, number 3, you cannot go on holiday without a fabulous caftan. Now, I think the best way to go with caftans is to go for a print, and don't worry if you've got a printed swimsuit as well. In fact, it actually works to your favor to have a mismatched print, because then it really does confuse the eye if you're conscientious, like I mentioned, about legs, tummy or even upper arms. You know what it's like when you're wearing a swimsuit. Your entire body's on display. You want to get tan, but you don't want everybody to kind of notice your wobbly bits. So caftans are great, especially when you're going up to the bar or you want to stroll into the hotel room. They're fab because they hide everything. Now, my favorite at the moment are these ones with the kind of fringing on them. Again, it's a bit like a hat. It's another distraction away from the bits of your body that you don't want everybody to focus on. So make a statement with your kaftan, because also not only do they work over your swimsuit, but then they double up as a jacket in the evening if you go for an open one. And equally, if they're one of the closed style ones, stick on a little slip underneath and voila, you have a fab little summer dress. Okay, so I hope these 3 tips have given you food for thought about what to pack in your suitcase. Now, if you would like to see more of mine and Bianca's videos and would like to get more free style advice from us, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down in the corner there, because B and I are uploading videos every single week with style advice we think is going to help improve your sense of style. Now, talking of which, if you have got a friend who is also panicking about what to pack for her holiday, then share this video with her too, because you never know, it might help her as much as it's helped you. And talking about sharing a love, B and I have also got a free Style Secrets ebook for you. It features 10 of our best kept secrets that are very simple tweaks and little differences you can make to your outfits that will instantly improve your style. So to pick up your free copy, just click the link below this video. Otherwise, happy holidays, and I shall see you in another video very soon.